Welcome back. Kavlem Shantadurga deity's gold weighing 6 kg and other silver ornaments are missing from records. That's what the new Devsthan committee claims. Committee has petitioned the High Court alleging misappropriation and embezzlement of Devsthan's property by previous managing committee. Committee has sought directions to the government and the administrators of Devalayas to take complete charge of gold and silver items from the previous managing committee.
This isn't a good news for Shantadurga devotees. During the hearing before the High Court, Devsthan's new committee has contended that process of taking over the charge from previous committee could not be completed so far because previous management failed to hand over all the properties belonging to the Devsthan. The petitioner has also contended that 6 gold bricks worth crores of rupees along with silver ornaments are missing. The petitioner contended that this fact regarding misappropriation of Devsthan's property was brought to the notice to the administrators of Devalayas and Ponda police, but both deliberately failed to recover the properties and to act against the members of previous committee. The petitioner has pleaded to the court to pass appropriate direction to the state government and administrators of Devalayas to take complete charge of gold and silver items from previous managing committee and to hold an inquiry in this matter. While adjourning the hearing for 14 July, the High Court has directed petitioner to make members of previous committee a party. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has rejected RSS's proposal to take over as the BJP's national president. RSS first choice was Goa's CM Parrikar. The New Indian Express report claims this. Sources informed that Deputy CM Francis D'Souza was the choice as Goa's chief minister if Parrikar had accepted the offer. For now, BJP's selection of a new president has been delayed. Meanwhile, CM Parrikar left for Delhi on Wednesday evening.
Media report says the staunch supporter of RSS and Chief Minister of Goa, Manohar Parrikar, has been selected to the post of BJP party national president. However, sources inform that Parrikar has rejected the proposal. This is the second time Parrikar has been selected for the BJP's top post in past 4 years. Sources also said Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza is the next choice to be elevated to as Chief Minister of Goa, but Parrikar seems to be reluctant to accept the new offer. The BJP national resident Rajnath Singh has been inducted as the Home Minister in Modi government. Other contenders for the party's key post are Jagat Prasad Nadda of Himachal Pradesh and Om Prakash Mathur of Rajasthan. However, Parrikar is known across the country for his simplicity. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Parrikar has left for Delhi on Wednesday evening. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Government's district hospital project at Fattauda has become a breeding ground for malaria. Families residing around under construction district hospital project at Fattauda have complained of malaria and other vector-borne diseases. 3 victims have been tested for Vivex malaria and are admitted in hospital. Residents complain of foul smell from the stagnated water at the construction site.
Hospital bani sam ya transport 500 औषधाली याम ट्रांसफर मलेरिया जाता सगळे बुरीन दुयेंत पडटाय आनी आमी बी आमगे मायम पडलो हा दुयेंत मलेरिया जालो हा
म्हणजे बायले आमगे दोगाय भुरग्यांक मलेरिया जाला म्हाका जाल्यार म्हाका हांवें टेस्ट केला सो हिंगा एवरी इयर आमगेली मलेरिया जाता उदो तें सेवेज लायन उदो एंड सगळे वास एंड सगळे आमकां एवरी इयर त्रास.
This has become a seasonal health hazard to the people living around the hospital project in Fattauda. Rainwater gets clogged and stagnates, making it a breeding ground for mosquitoes. People have complained of malaria and vector-borne diseases in the area. Another family was also tested positive for malaria.
Continuous rockade pon isam pol muge chade admit kelo mai chodwa admit kelo mai makai mele malaria ata tingte sade amcha ata neighbor atik jana is wele admit kelo.
Reporter Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.